Alright. So, dun sa mga members na nabigyan ko ng email address with our domain themusiczone.org, this is how you actually set up your phone or your email to work with your phone if you're using iPhone or an Android, or if you don't have those two, pwede rin sa desktop or through Windows. And I'm not sure kung kasama ang Mac. Pero um, I made this video para hindi na ako paulit-ulit. So, first time ko lang pumasok dito. So, let's go through it kung paano. So, I've assigned everyone their individual password. So, just in case you forget, you forget yours, IM nyo lang ako. Okay, so this is my password. And it takes me to the login page. By the way, bibigyan ko kayo ng link niyan, lahat kayo. Alright, so I'll save my password just in case. So, I'm using Chrome dito sa desktop ko. And maganda ang Chrome ngayon, no? Nag-update. They have this cool apps button in the corner now. Dati wala yan eh. Okay, teka, console lang room yan. Okay, so andito na ako sa page ko. You can see it's logged in as Bong at themusiczone.org. So what I want to do is email setup. Yan. So want to set up an email on your phone, Outlook, or other device. So kung first time kayo pumasok dito, antayin nyo lang siyang mag-load kasi you'll see some activity dito sa corner na to kung saan naglalaro yung mouse ko. At siniset up niya yung spam settings nyo. So huwag kayong aalis, don't refresh your page, your browser hanggat hindi nag-check ito at tumigil na lahat. So pag okay na yan, just go to here, get started. So this guide will actually take you to this page na ayan. Email setup. I want to set up a, so you have two choices. Yung first one, para sa mga mobile device, it's either iPhone, Android, Windows, or BlackBerry. Oh, yun, may BlackBerry pala. And yung pangalawa, if you don't have those mobile devices na yan, and desktop client, so either you have Outlook or an Apple Mail. So, ibig sabihin, pwede sa Mac. Chef Wee, particularly. Ikaw lang naman ang alam kung may Mac sa atin sa TMZ. Okay, so dito ako I'll choose the first option. So, ayan. Pili ka ng model ng telepono mo. So, in my case, using an iPhone. So, an iPhone auto setup. So, kailangan nakatick yan. And then, hit next. Okay, iPhone auto setup. Ayan yung account ko. That one. Oops. Yan, Bong. Just to make sure tama yung sinisetup natin. And then you put in your number. Wala na kayong kailangan ilagay pa ang area code or something. Kasi automatic na yan. Yung IP ninyo malalaman nung pinaka server natin, which is yung domain host natin, controller ay yung GoDaddy. So, pag na-type mo na yan, lalabas na yan yung automatic din niya sa inyo. And I'm with Telstra. Yan, this link launches the iOS configure screen. From there, simply choose install and your device walks through the rest. Okay, so let's click OK. Tayo lang natin. I don't know what will happen. Supposing I'll be getting a link or something sa telepono ko. Wala pa. Di pa dumating. But anyway, so ayan. Bumalik ito sa page na to after kung mag-okay. And from here, you can actually launch na yung email nyo. So, I wanna use the launch web-based email. So, click yan. It will open as a new tab. Andyan sa screen sa taas. First time ko lang din pumasok dito. So, ayan. So, this will be similar or will have the same screen. Kung meron kayong hindi alam, close nyo na yan. Hindi kayo naguguluhan. For some of you na nakagamit na ng email, iba-ibang email client, ito ang itsura ng email web-based ng GoDaddy. So, ayan, actual storage. Hindi ko alam kung ilan yung settings ko dito sa email natin. Ito. At the moment, ito na yung mga names nung nagawan ko ng email. Si Annie at themusiczone.org, Bong at themusiczone.org, BRHO, si Brujo at themusiczone.org, si Rec at themusiczone.org, si Chef at themusiczone.org, and TMZ admin at themusiczone.org. So from here, ako lang meron hawak nito. I can do a lot of things. Kung hindi nyo alam or nakalimutan nyo ang password nyo, I can do it from here. Okay? So ayan o, change password. Wala naman limit kung makalimutan nyo. Pero doon sa mga password nyo, meron na akong ginawa. So I'll let you know individually kung ano yung mga email. Okay, so balik tayo dito sa webmail. Ganitong itsura. I think, ayun na yun. Tumunog yung phone ko. Narinig nyo ba? Oops. Wala pala. Akala ko kung ano na yun. Akala ko text na. Anyway. So, ayan. No reply at secureserver.net. Ito yung first email na makukuha ninyo dyan. Ayan o, sa inbox ninyo. So, buksan nyo yan. Sasabihin niya kung ano yung nangyari. We know you have many options for sending and receiving email with the web-based mail. Basahin nyo na lang. Achuchuchu, Chorbanes. Ito na. And more instruction nandito sa baba. In addition to web-based email, you can get your email through a desktop client, mobile device. Pick one if you preferred client. If you preferred client is not here, check out the center we mentioned. So, iPhone. Ang daming, diba? Ang daming mail client. So, kung anong gamit nyo dyan, ang pinaka-common dyan ay Microsoft Outlook. Pero madami na yan. Pero sa phone na, kung yan naman ang gamit nyo palagi. Alright. So, dito, dadaling ka niya ulit sa next page. It's another tab. So, hindi ka mahihilo. Nandiyan lang. Pwede mong balikan. So, ito ang kailangan ko. Phone. And eventually, i-set up ko din yung account ko para magamit ko sa Outlook. Kasi may Outlook ako sa laptop ko. Tsaka dito sa desktop na gamit ko. So, para mabilis, and kahit nasaan ako, makareceive ako ng mail, so, set up ko na muna yung aking phone. So, ayan na ang instruction. Using a mobile phone with your mail. Ayan, to use a mobile phone with your email. Andiyan na. Lagay mo yan. Password. Ito na ang mga importante dyan. Incoming mail server. Yung mga POP or IMAP. Outgoing mail server. And ayan. These are the most important figures. Kailangan yung tandaan. Without that, hindi mo may set up ng maayos ang inyong device. Okay? So, ayun. Once you're done, magsisend ako ng sample email sa inyo. Sabihan nyo ako and I will use the TMZ admin at themusiczone.org. So, yan ang magiging pinaka-email address or Facebook email address ng gagawin ko sa room. So, kung may gustong magpa-add sa Facebook, yan na. Ang Facebook ng room ay tmzadmin at themusiczone.org. Okay, so, ayan. I will eventually add the rest. But for now, 5 muna. I think I can provide at least mga 50 siguro. 50 accounts. Tignan ko. Malalaman ko kung ilan na lang yung accounts na pwedeng gawin. Sabi niya dito 4 eh. Alam ko kasi 100 to eh. Pero alamin ko na muna. So, that's it. So, ayan. Mas maganda ng tignan. Pag about sa room ang ating pag-uusapan or any matters about the room, gamitin nyo to. Malalaman ko rin naman yan kung for like example, gamitin nyo to for personal reason. Kunyari, may kaibigan kayo, na-meet kayo. Mas maganda kung meron kayong mamimit sa chat, yun na lang gamitin nyo. Pati sa Facebook ninyo. Para hindi yung personal email nyo ang gamitin nyo. Alright? So, ayan. Salamat sa pakikinig. If you have any more question, let me know. At nasa room lang ako. Cheers!